Hey, what's up? JD here for the Fusion Pipeline. Let's jump right to it. How would you like to hop into any glitch fracture 4 times instead of 6, maxing out your nightmare skills? Here's how. Entry 1, complete the glitch and grab your first nightmare skill. Entry number 2, complete the glitch again and equip your second nightmare skill. Entry 3. Now pay attention to my combat rating for proof. With those nightmare skills, mine being Wingman Unit and Sleeper Agent, you can level both nightmares to level 2 instead of one of them by simply switching out one of your nightmares with a new skill. Go back into the case and level up the skill you did not switch out. Go back into the case and bring back your previous skill by switching out with the skill you placed earlier. But notice how that skill is at level 2 already? You just doubled up 2 nightmare skills. Finally, entry number 4, going into the glitch for a 4th time. Rinse and repeat. Grab the new skill and replace it. Open the case and increase the nightmare skill you did not switch out to level 3. Open the case once more and put your previous skill back in, thus automatically bringing your nightmare skill to level 3. It's pretty freaking shway, right? This has been JD with